In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix playback lag in Premiere Rush. If you've been experiencing hiccups or delays when trying to preview your edits, then you've come to the right place. We'll go over a method that can significantly improve your playback experience, making your editing process a lot more seamless. So, let's dive in. First, open up Premiere Rush and navigate to the Preferences or Settings menu. This is your control hub for how the software interacts with your computer's resources. It might seem a bit technical at first, but don't worry. Once you know where to go, it's quite straightforward. You'll likely find this option under the top menu on your screen. Look for something labeled Preferences or Settings, and click on it to open a new window or drop-down menu. Once you're in the Preferences or Settings, head over to the Video Rendering and Playback section. This is a crucial area as it directly influences how your video files are processed and displayed. Rendering and playback settings help determine the smoothness and speed with which your videos play, allowing you to see a near final version of your edit without complete rendering, thus saving you time and frustration. Now, in this video rendering and playback section, you're looking for an option that says something like Enable Pre-Render Sequences for Playback. Once you find it, go ahead and enable or check this option. What this does is allow Rush to create cached or temporarily stored pre-rendered segments of your video timeline. Essentially, by pre-rendering, your computer does some of the heavy lifting up front. This means that when you hit play on your timeline, Premiere Rush has already prepared these segments, resulting in a much smoother playback. Imagine this process akin to peeling and chopping ingredients before cooking, so the actual preparation of your meal goes much faster. By pre-rendering, you're ensuring smoother playback by reducing the computational load on your system when previewing edits. This straightforward adjustment can dramatically reduce or even eliminate those pesky stutters and hangs that disrupt your editing workflow. As a tip, be mindful that while enabling pre-render sequences does improve playback, it might take up additional storage and processing power on your device since it's assigning part of your system to store these pre-rendered segments. Make sure your device has adequate resources available. After enabling the pre-render option, take a moment to test your playback. Hit play on your timeline to see how much smoother the footage runs. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in playback performance in Premiere Rush. Reducing lag not only makes for a less frustrating experience, but lets you focus on the creative aspects of editing without frequent interruptions. I hope you found this guide useful. If you did, feel free to give this video a like and share it with others who might benefit from a smoother editing experience. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing.